Lost your Android phone, even if it's on silent? This video gets straight to the point and shows you exactly how to do it. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. First, you will need to use another device, like a computer, to open a web browser to find your Android device. In the browser's address bar, you must go to android.com/find and then sign in to your Google account. This will redirect to google.com/android/find. Once you are logged in, a map will appear showing you the last known location of your lost Android devices. It will show all devices. On the left side of the screen, you will see a menu with several helpful options you can choose from. To find your phone nearby, click on the Play Sound option, which makes your Android device ring loudly for 5 minutes. This sound will play at full volume even if your lost device was set to silent or vibrate. Also, you can click on the recent location available. You will see where your phone was last recorded. This will be helpful if the phone remains without a battery. And that's how you can find your lost Android device using Google's free and essential Find My Device service. For more short and concise videos, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to leave a like and a comment.